Intermittent signal or signal drops in your iPhone may denote a problem with the software, if not due to damaged hardware including bad SIM card, or defective network component like defective the built-in antenna. Before rushing to a service center, it is but imperative to do so basic troubleshooting procedures, to rule out the possibility that this is all just a software-related problem. Hey guys, I'm Harold from thecellguy.com, and in this video, I will walk you through in troubleshooting your iPhone XR that keeps losing its signal. First solution: perform the forced restart on your iPhone. The first thing you need to rule out are minor system errors that cause the occurrence of network glitches, particularly signal issues on your iPhone. And the simplest way to clear out these factors would be to do the forced restart. It is a simulated battery removal that refreshes your phone's memory and fixes minor software-related issues. Here's how it's done. Quickly press and release the volume up button, and then quickly press and release the volume down button. The moment you release the volume down button, press and hold the side or power key until the Apple logo shows on the screen. Your iPhone will continue the usual boot process until it reaches the lock screen or the home screen. After it has successfully rebooted, try to see if it still loses its signal. Second solution: reset the network settings of your iPhone. Network-related problems that are attributed to incorrect or invalid network configuration are generally resolved by resetting the network settings. This reset deletes your current network configurations and server information. Network connections including Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, and cellular data are likewise restored to default. Here's how it's done. From the home screen, tap Settings. Find and then tap General. Scroll down to the bottom of the screen, and then touch Reset. Touch Reset Network Settings. If prompted, enter your security lock. Tap Reset Network Settings at the bottom of the screen. Your iPhone will reboot after this. Once it has finished rebooting, try to see if the problem is fixed. After the network reset, try to see if your iPhone still loses signal every now and then. Third solution: factory reset your iPhone. Among the last options you've got if none of the previous methods is able to fix the problem would be a factory reset. This reset will erase everything from your iPhone and then restores its factory default settings. To avoid losing critical data and personal information, creating backups beforehand would be necessary. Here's how you reset your iPhone. From the home screen, tap Settings. Tap General. Scroll down to the bottom of the screen, and then touch Reset. Tap Erase all contents and settings. Tap Erase now. If prompted, enter your security lock. Tap Erase iPhone at the bottom of the screen. Tap Erase iPhone again to proceed with the reset. After the reset, set up your iPhone as a new device. I hope that we've been able to help you fix your iPhone XR that keeps losing signal. Please subscribe to our channel, and enable notifications so you can stay up to date with the Cell Guide. Thanks for watching.